In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download and install Canon ImageClass MF236n printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match would appear, okay? And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So in a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set before you proceed. Once a search bar has been available for us, you need to type for Canon space imaged class space MF 236n space driver. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result, and please proceed with any of this result. Okay, click on it. And you would be redirected to this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to scroll down, okay? And please scroll down. And here you would be able to see this one, okay, which is this one. All you need to do is you need to click on it. So it will automatically detect your operating system, so no worries for that. So click on this download option so that you can download the printer driver, okay? And you just have to navigate with the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Click on it so that you can keep on track on the progress of the download. So please wait until this would be done before we proceed to the installation. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to navigate with this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click on this application and click on this cut icon, and let's move that to the desktop. So close the window, make a right click here, and go with the paste icon. So the moment you have pasted it, we need to extract or unzip the file. So there are two ways on how to do such. All you need to do is you need to double tap to it, and in that way you would be able to extract it, or you can simply make a right click and from here scroll down on the list of the option and navigate to this WinRAR tool and use this to extract the file. So click on it and it will now start on the extraction. Please wait until this would be finished. Okay, once done, you need to navigate with the button search bar here. Okay, so here, please type for settings. Now, the moment you have typed for settings, please wait until a best match should appear again. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on the open option to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices. So tap on it, and then eventually this kind of window would appear. Go with printers and scanners, and you would be able to find an option like this. Go with add device, and wait until you can proceed to the manual installation of our printer driver. So you would be able to see an option like this. Click on add manually and select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Choose among of these three USB port as your printer port. In your case, It might be 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. In my case, I'll be using 0, 0, 1. So click on next and click on have disk. Click on browse. And since our located at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop. Click on it. Please scroll down on the list, double tap to it. Select the driver. Okay, just select this one, double tap, and it will show you the driver. So click on open and click on OK. And eventually it would be added here. Click on next and please rename that. Okay. So Canon imaged class space MF236n. Okay. So once you have renamed it, click on next so that it can now start on the installation. So it might take some time, but please be patient until this would be done. Okay, so if you would allow for printer sharing, you can turn this on or you can turn the other on if you don't like that. So go with next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box on. You can also check if your printer is working properly by clicking a print the test page. So go with finish once you're done, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Canon ImageClass MF236 and driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.